Yo, what's up guys, what's going on? Here's Line Tech. Yeah guys, I am back. I know it's been long, but I'm back again. Let's get into today's video. So a few months ago I posted a video about how to let Siri respond to your voice if your iPhone is covered, and I kept getting comments saying it doesn't work. So in today's video I'm going to take you step by step exactly what I did. So first you're going to open your settings.
Settings, 3 new items. Settings.
Then you're going to look for accessibility.
Accessibility, button. Accessibility, heading.
Right here you're going to look for Siri.
Siri, button.
And right here you're going to look for always listen for Siri.
Always listen for Siri, switch button, off. Double tap to toggle setting.
So you're going to turn that on.
On. Listen for Siri or Hey Siri when your iPhone is facing down or covered.
So guys, this is how I did it. I hope I was able to help you this time. And yeah guys, I did a video explaining why I was inactive for the past month. Yeah guys, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on post notifications, and share my videos with your family and friends so you can also help them out if they need help. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.